Don't drink and whiten.
The enamel police will come after you if you're drinking and whitening.
Really? You're so corny. Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. Thanks for joining us again. If you are new here, then my name is Mariah.
And I'm Jeremy.
And we are the Decks. So today we have something different for you guys. Smile Brilliant actually reached out to me and asked if I wanted to try out one of their whitening kits. And honestly, I've been wanting to get teeth whitening done for probably at least 2 years now, but it's always been super too expensive. To get teeth whitening done at the dentist is typically around like $500. So of course I jumped at the opportunity and they went ahead and threw in a kit for Jeremy to go do too. So that was really nice of them. So thank you, Smile Brilliant. We are both pretty much coffee drinkers / coffee lovers. We both love coffee. I don't drink it as much as Jeremy does. You drink it like every single day. I drink it like every couple of weeks. But I do drink tea a lot more, and tea is also just as staining as coffee is. We both also drink juices and things with red dye in it. So basically all this stuff that is staining to our teeth. And Jeremy is also a former smoker. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah, so he's had way more staining as far as his teeth are concerned than I've had on mine. I've also tried a number of things to whiten my teeth at home. I've tried toothpaste. Well, we both have tried whitening toothpastes. The whitening mouthwash. I've also tried baking soda, peroxide. So yeah, I've tried quite a number of different methods to get my smile just even a little hint of whiter, and nothing has really worked until we got this system. So this is what the system actually, this is the box that it comes in, and basically it comes with your desensitizing gel, your teeth whitening gel. It comes with 2 trays because you're going to make your own custom molds for your teeth. It also comes with the catalyst and then the base. This is how you go about making your actual molds. So after you make your molds, which I will show you guys how to do next, you basically just mail in your package. It already comes prepaid, so you only have to mail it back to the company, and then they will send you your molds, your custom fitted trays. And like I said, they're custom fitted, so they're only gonna be forming to your particular teeth. I don't know why you would want to share any with anybody else anyway.
Well, you might want to share mine.
No, thank you. I'm good. But they are very easy to use. It's a very simple process. They're also very convenient and easy to travel with. We've traveled a few times and I've had to take these on the road. I've also had to pack them in a suitcase. And like I said, it's really convenient because they already come in this little case. Now I did want to mention that I've been using the system for I would say about 2 to 3 weeks longer than what Jeremy has been using it. So our results will vary, but we both generally saw really good results with it. You of course have like a little bit of a, I guess, longer ways to go because your teeth were like a darker yellow versus where mine were. What? They were.
No, I'm really happy with the results. I was really, I mean, it was noticeable from pretty much the first treatment how much of a change there was literally right away.
Yeah, I agree with that too. I think for like you, just like you said, for the both of us, from that first initial treatment with just 45 minutes to start out with, we were both kind of taken back and like, whoa, this is actually already working on day 1. So like I said, guys, we only really share with you guys and push you guys in the direction of things that we actually use, things that we believe in, and things that work for us. And with that being said, we will also have a giveaway in which one lucky subscriber, yes, one of you will be getting your own Smile Brilliant system.
Wow, that's really cool.
Yeah, no, it is really cool. Okay, you want to help me with this part?
Yes.
Obviously, if you have rings with like diamonds in them or anything like that, pretty much if you have any jewelry on your hands, just take it off for this process. You really don't want to get the stuff in there because once it hardens, I can't promise that it's going to come off your jewelry. These molds are really easy to make. Obviously, if Jeremy can follow instructions and make them, pretty much anybody can. It comes with instructions for a reason. Read your instructions. What you are going to do first is you're going to brush and floss your teeth, and then after you've done that, you're going to mix a catalyst and a base. So I'll help you take
I'll take
one out.
And she's going to take the other one.
Yes. Okay, there you go. I'll let you do it because you're really good at doing this.
Oh, thanks.
There you go.
And then you need until it's like uniformly blue.
Yeah.
You're incorporating white into blue, so basically just get it to where it's all the way blue.
Yep, then you roll it out and then you put it into the tray. And you really don't want to push too much on it. You just want to make sure it's evenly distributed in the tray. And then you put your mold in your mouth and press it up into your teeth. You look really weird. Ew, I forgot to get you a paper towel because you're drooling. Ew. Yes, use a paper towel because you will drool. And then you just send it in the mail. So it has a little QR sticker on it, and it has the same one that's on the trays. If you're doing this with a partner, make sure that your QR code matches your envelope because you don't want to get the two mixed up. But then you just send it off, and about 2 weeks later, you will receive your impressions. So once you get your impressions back, you are going to then go ahead and start your whitening process. So we both started off using the whitening gel for 45 minutes. You don't want to try to use it the maximum time on your first go around because your teeth more than likely will get very, very sensitive. I have particularly sensitive teeth. Jeremy has a little bit of sensitivity with his teeth as well. But if you try to just jump and do 3 hours on your first time doing this, it's probably not gonna feel so hot. So basically what you do is you take the gel and you really just wanna evenly kind of distribute it on the outer portion, the portion that's gonna come in contact with the outside of your teeth. Basically wanna slide it forward into your mouth and not up. Then you do the same thing with the bottom. And then you set a timer for your 45 minutes. Now, I'm able to actually go up to about 2 hours now. Jeremy's able, how long do you normally do it for?
Hour and a half.
So Jeremy does for an hour and a half. I usually do it for 2 hours. I don't know that I'll ever make it up to doing it for a full 3 hours. I think that's just a little bit much for my teeth. So while I'm whitening, I will usually go ahead and do my nightly routine. I'll go ahead and jump in the shower. This is a great time for me to do it because I'm in the shower for about 30 minutes anyway. Other times I'll put a facial mask on. I can do it at night while I'm playing my video games. On the nights where Jeremy and I whiten together, typically we are laying in bed watching a movie, or he's giving me a massage or something to that effect. I will spare you the imagery, but you get the gist of it. You can pretty much do anything while you're whitening that doesn't involve eating.
Or drinking.
Don't drink and whiten.
The enamel police will come after you if you're drinking and whitening.
You're so corny. Then once the whitening process is done, you basically brush your teeth again, and then you use the same method to apply your desensitizing gel. Now this gel you'll pretty much leave on for about 20 minutes. I sometimes will leave mine on for longer, to about 40 minutes. I like how it tastes, even though you're like not supposed to like really consume it. It tastes like berries. The whitening process basically kind of is a dehydrating process in itself. So you will want to replenish, like I said, those nutrients and those minerals back into your teeth afterwards. If you don't, you'll probably have more sensitivity. That's kind of the point of the desensitizing gel, is to get rid of some of that. So I definitely would recommend using it. So like I said, guys, we really love this product. It's convenient, it's easy to use, but one of the best features about it is that it's the same professional grade as what the dentist will use. So you're getting that high-end professional quality whitening, but you can do it at home. I don't know about Jeremy, but I don't like going to the dentist. I don't like sitting in anybody else's office. I rather do things at my own convenience. And not only is it super easy to use, but it actually works. So now for the exciting part, for the giveaway. Yay! So for the giveaway, what you're going to win is your own Smile Brilliant kit. It's a $149 value. That's right, I said it, $149 value. It's open to the US, the UK, Canada, and Australia. So if you're in one of those countries, you can definitely enter in to win. There are 2 simple steps to enter in. 1, you have to be subscribed to our channel, and 2, you just have to visit the link that's in the description box below. This giveaway is going to run for 2 weeks, guys. So for 2 weeks, you will have a chance to enter in to win. Even if you don't necessarily want to whiten your own teeth, you might want to give it as a gift to someone else. You guys know, like Christmas, Hanukkah, Kwanzaa, all that stuff is coming up, or you can gift it to someone for their birthday. So even if you don't want it, you can still enter in to win and use that as a gift for, you know, someone in your life. Well, that's all for this video, guys. I hope it was informative and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give us a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to join our tribe. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future uploads. And don't forget to enter in the giveaway, of course. We hope you all have an amazing and wonderful week, and we will see you in the next video. Bye.